Hi, what's up you guys? I hope you guys are doing fine like I am here. So guys, you won't believe this. These sites or these companies pay you to write greeting cards. Yeah, it's so unbelievable. I recently discovered this and I was like, damn, I have to share this with my friends on YouTube. So yeah, in case you're new here, hi, my name is Kiki. I share tips on how you can grow online and also outside with your businesses or something. We try to interact here and get to know many other tips. So in case you feel I have left out some tip, please feel free to comment down below and share it with us. Also, in case you have any query, comment down below and I'm going to be replying to all your comments. Yeah, let's interact, guys. In case you don't know what greeting cards are, these are cards that are related to weddings, birthdays, parties, anything like invitation cards, all sorts of cards. They don't need to be long cards, and some may be poetry. Like one of the companies that I'm going to mention usually wants poetry or prose form. So yeah, if you can do anything related to that, then watch this video till the end. I'll be giving you tips and tricks and all the sites that you'll need so that you can write and get paid. So let's get straight into the video. The first company that actually pays you to write greeting cards is Noble Works. So for Noble Works, it usually seeks to find funny people, humorous people, or people who can write humorous cards. So yeah, in case you are interested with Noble Works, you need to write an application to them, and then they will reply telling you whether you fit their guidelines. They're going to give you some guidelines which you will fill, and in case you succeed, then you're going to be given opportunities to write cards, and you're going to earn from $5 each card. I think that's good money. So yeah guys, you can try Noble Works, and I was amused at how good they pay. Like, you know, I don't know if you get me. Like, you know what greeting cards are. They're either birthday cards, wedding cards, invitation cards, just any cards. So yeah, as long as you can write it in a humorous way, in a funny way, then Noble Works is for you. And as long as you're creative, then you can do it, guys. And they're so easy. You know, a card doesn't have to be so long. As long as it's straight to the point and it's humorous, you're good. The next one is RSVP. I know most of you have heard about it. It's a global company. As long as you can write something that is unique, something that looks creative, something that is readable, or just a simple card that is good, you're going to get money from RSVP. This one doesn't matter whichever country you're in, you can try RSVP and write greeting cards to earn money. It gives you money depending on the type of card that you write. So yeah guys, you can try it. The next site or the next company is Viabella. For this one, you get paid to write any kind of content. It may be traditional content, modern, just anything. Any content you get paid. And for the Viabella, payment usually varies depending on what you write, the content you write. Yeah, so guys, you can try it and see, and comment down below if you've done that already, so that you can know, give your views about it, so that other people can also find out. So yeah guys, the next company, Calypso Cards. So this one, I think it's those who've tried freelance are familiar with it. It pays you to write any kind of content, and it's so sensitive. Like, you don't go there to steal work. There's no plagiarism, so you have to be really fresh, and your content has to be unique. So don't try this if you're trying to steal, guys. And it's a bit difficult, but it has a good pay because it pays $50 per every card that is accepted. The only bad thing is that you have to write so many cards to be accepted, and so yeah, but just in case you know you can write good, you have a good taste of poetry, you can write a good card, then go and register with them, and then you'll see. You just write many ideas, and then they will take one. I know there are so many people who usually have some things written, like poetry written in their books. They just preserve them. You can go and sell those cards to the site. The next site that pays you to write greeting cards is Blue Mountain Arts. So for this one, you're expected to write your daily life experiences. So if you're good at putting your daily life experiences on paper, this one is it for you. So what you do is you write, express yourself in the feelings that people cannot express themselves, like those feelings and thoughts that people find hard to express themselves. So you write that, and then you get paid for that. So what do you think, guys? I think that's the best thing, especially those who usually have diaries or something, and you love writing your experiences down. So you can do it. You can try this Blue Mountain Arts. You can also check their page on Instagram. I think they do all those things there. They will give you more information. Yeah, guys. And then the most common topics are usually family, love, friendship, those simple topics. How you do it, I think you usually send your application or your script to their email. So yeah, guys, but for more information, just go and check their IG page. And that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you really gained something from it. I hope you've gotten at least one company that you can try, and in case you need more, I will give you more in my next video, more tips on how to make money. So stick around. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting, so that I will know that you enjoyed watching it. And also, guys, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, do so, because you don't miss my next videos, okay? And turn the notification bell on, because if you don't, you won't get notified whenever I post. So yeah, guys, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.